So this is what the mangrove village, well, temple village looks like. A lot of mangroves, a lot of green. This area is a bit dry, but yeah, there's supposed to be water here. And yeah, it's really beautiful, feels really fresh. This is kind of a random visit. I am at Wat Asokaram right now in my home province in Samut Prakan, and right ahead you will see the Gulf of Thailand, where you see the ocean. Unfortunately, I didn't plan to vlog, so I'm using my phone, my iPhone 6 to vlog right now. But yeah, it's okay. So you can see the road here. Just a little road where motorbikes pass. And this is the Gulf of Thailand. So this is the ocean. Yay! Let's have a mini mangrove lesson here. So fact number one, mangroves are marine plants. They act as a kindergarten for the little fish, little sea animals, and it also filters water, so it makes the water clean. And yeah, it basically helps with the ecosystem. It is quite sad to see a lot of trash in the nature, like here, see like chips and bottles. So whenever you can, pick it up, or don't throw it into the nature, right? I wish I could pick it up, but it's quite high. Yeah. So those are fish that live in muddy water. I don't really know how to call them, but they're kind of like half frogs, half fish.